Nobody told me about the risk associated with Forex trading, and I paid for it with losses. A lot of beginners enter the Forex market thinking about profit and the opportunities the market offers, but ignore the risk that is associated with the market that actually destroys accounts. A lot of people come into the trading space thinking that they can make it overnight. Most of them focus on the profit and actually ignore the risk that is associated with trading. A lot of beginners have this kind of mindset, and this really destroys accounts. Leverage is classified as a trading power, but as for me, I see it as a trap if you don't know what you are doing. Unless you know what you are doing, that's when it becomes useful. Using too much leverage can wipe out accounts, especially small accounts. When you are using small accounts and you are using big leverage, it can wipe out the whole account, because leverage is meant for you to level up and scale up the account, not actually just using it with the mindset that you will just make it overnight with that leverage you take. What if the leverage goes wrong? The leverage you take goes wrong. That's one thing most people don't understand. So leverage is a trading power, and at the same time, it's like a sword with two edges. One can be useful for you, it can be used as a protection, and the other edge can be used against you. So you just have to know how you use your leverage. Don't over leverage your trade, because if it goes wrong, the whole account is gone. Another risk in Forex trading is emotional trading, because it leads to impulsive and costly mistakes that will cost you a lot of pains if you are not careful. Emotional trading is the act of trading based on your current emotion. For example, you are angry and you just open a trade. Believe me, it's not going to go well, or there is a 50% probability that trade will not go the way you want it to, because you are trading based on your emotion. A trade is supposed to be taken out of market structure and a strategy that determines your entries and your exit. It's not something that you just decide that, okay, let me just take this trade. Even if I'm in this mode, I don't care. This kind of thing usually leads to bad decision, and bad decision leads to losses. Trading Forex without risk management is one of the fastest way of losing money to the market, because a trader can have a good strategy that is even profitable, but if his risk management aspect is poor, then he is most likely to lose a lot of money to the market, because risk management is what keeps you alive and what makes a trader survive in the financial market. Lack of using stop loss is very dangerous, because when you don't use a stop loss and market reverses in the opposite direction of your position, it can lead to negative balance. So you can even lose beyond your account balance. All this will be explained in further videos, but I just want you to have a clue of the importance of using a stop loss. So it is very essential. In every trade you take, you have to use a stop loss order. A lot of beginners lose money to scams before they even start learning trading, and this is because they start trading Forex the wrong way. There are a lot of fake signals and fake brokers out there online trying to swindle beginners who are just coming into the trading space without any experience. They don't know what they are doing, so they try to take advantage of that. And this is one of the reasons why I am recommending you one of the most regulated brokers in the industry. Check out the description of this video to sign up with the regulated broker. And when you sign up, you can actually verify that broker through Google or however you want to verify it. But it is a regulated broker operating since 2019, so there is nothing to scare. And also, I am providing signals on my Telegram channel, so if you want to join and make money with me, you are free to do that. Check out that also in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. What happened to me at my early stages of trading was that I ignored all this risk because I see them as minor risk, and I always think that they don't really matter to me, but it really affected me later because I am regretting it. Even up till now, it still affected me a lot, and that is one of the reasons why I am telling you all this risk, so that you start protecting yourself first as a beginner trader who is just coming into the trading space. Things started changing when I started focusing on protecting my capital rather than chasing profit. What really helped me was my risk management and my patience, and also my discipline. The truth is that Forex is very risky, but trading without the knowledge is even riskier. That is why you have to prioritize the knowledge over the profit or the opportunities the market offers you. You need to start trading the right way. If not, losses, a lot of unnecessary losses will be part of your trading journey. That is why you have to focus more on the knowledge first before you start thinking of profit. Don't skip this video without subscribing to this channel. We provide pure Forex education here, and anything has to do or related to Forex trading. So subscribe for more videos like this.